Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is ShawneeLove33 and today I'm going to be doing a sorta iPhone unboxing. I don't know if you can call it an iPhone unboxing if there's no iPhone being unboxed, but anyway, I recently got an iPhone 8 from eBay. I bought it brand new, and I'm just gonna show you guys the phone. I did a unboxing of my iPhone SE in 2017, I think. This is my iPhone SE. You guys can see that. And I did like it with my iPhone and all that kind of, crap when I got this phone. But yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys my iPhone 8, not the SE, it's the 8. I've had this phone for almost 2 years. It'll be 2 years in November. It's still holding up pretty nicely. My little AliExpress case and stuff, it's still holding up nicely, so there's no problems with that. But anyway, my phone came in this like manila packaging. I know I wish I had the box. I thought it was going to be in the box. I'm not going to show you the seller's like ID and stuff, but I think they shipped it in this to kind of save money on the packaging and stuff. So anyway, it came with the charger, of course, the charger port. I don't know if that's called a charger port. The headphones, these are like the typical iPhone headphones that come with the newer phones, and it is straight talk. The phone is in this little packaging, and it has the SIM card because it is straight talk, and y'all know I prefer straight talk phones because I don't know why. But anyway, I'm just gonna pull my phone out so you guys can see this, and ignore my nail. So it is in space gray, and it has fingerprints all over it because I touched it because I'm dumb. And this is what the phone looks like on the outside. And we still have our plastic and everything intact. So I know there are some people out there who love hearing the plastic. So I'm gonna try to get close to the mic when I, take the plastic off so you guys can hear that. Let me put my mic down. Gross touching it, like, oh my god, with my nasty hands. But yeah. That's what the phone looks like. It's smaller. I do like smaller phones. I don't like big phones, which is why I didn't go with the 8 Plus. I don't like big old gigantic phones. As you can see, I loved my SE, and the SE compared to this is like, can you see that? Like, the SE is a little chunk smaller than it, but I love small phones. I don't like big old phones because my hands, like, I feel like this fits comfortably in my hand, but I feel like anything bigger would just not fit very well in my hand. I'm sorry I keep going out of frame. But anyway, let me go ahead and power it on. And I did get cases. It's been so long since I opened a new phone, but I did get some cases from Dollar Tree. Because I ordered one from AliExpress but hasn't gotten here yet. But I got these two from Dollar Tree. This one is like gold, and this one has like a design on it. And I also got screen protectors because I swear by these Dollar Tree tempered glass screen protectors. They are really good on your phone and stuff like that. So we have our opening. We're gonna do English. So it is upside down, United States. And if you have an iPhone or iPad running iOS or later, bring it nearby to sign in automatically. If you want, you can also set up this. Okay, so I'm gonna do my setup stuff, and then I will be back after I do the setup. So this is what the phone looks like, all set up and everything. Ignore all my apps and stuff are still installing, but this is what it looks like. And I just put on the gold case from Dollar Tree. I put on the screen protector from Dollar Tree too, but it doesn't fit around the whole like perimeter of the phone, which I don't like that. But yeah, I didn't realize also that it did come with everything in the packaging. Also, I don't like this case. I tried this case on it and I don't like this one. It's ugly. It doesn't look good with the gray. But I didn't realize, because I had to put in my little pin thingy that they give you to do the SIM card. I didn't know they sent one. They included one because I didn't really pay attention, but it has like, of course, the Apple stickers, and I don't think anybody ever uses those. I have so many from all my Apple stuff. And then it has like the what do you call it, instruction card, all this information. And I know I have too many lights on, so you can't really see it, but everything. I do want a wireless charger, which I'm really excited about this phone. And I didn't know they had included this pin because I just used one from my old one. I don't think they included them with the iPhone SE because when I did my SE, I had to use one that I had from my other old phone, but I didn't realize that they sent this until after I put it in, and you know, like the little factoid sheet and all that kind of stuff that came in here. So it did come with all that stuff. So yeah, like I don't know, I'm liking having a bigger phone. It fits better in the hand. Like I'm usually just a sucker for small tiny phones, but this is actually pretty nice so far. But yeah, if you guys want to see like a what's on my iPhone or anything in the future, definitely let me know. The process for setting this up was way longer than I expected. I didn't know it was going to take an hour because I had to set it up as a new iPhone because my SE is on iOS 13. So I had to set this one up as a new iPhone, install the iOS 13 updates, and then go from there and transfer everything. It took a while. It took way longer than I expected it to take. But yeah, guys, if you guys do want to see like what's on my iPhone or anything like that, let me know. I've done one in the past with my SE. I think I'm gonna probably sell my SE. Probably like, I don't know if I'm gonna sell it on like eBay or if I'm gonna sell it on a site or anything. But yeah, so I do have to finish setting up the activation and all that kind of stuff, which is whatever. But thanks again for watching, guys, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.